Down here at Avenue B between 16th Street and 12th Street, there's a big project going on down here. For those of you who don't know, it's 84 apartments, and Quick Refrigeration is doing the air conditioning work at the apartments. So we're going to go inside and take a look and see the progress. This is the air handler. It will distribute air through the ductwork into each one of the rooms. One thing most people don't realize, air conditioning contractors are HVAC contractors, which also includes ventilation. So in here, this will be a kitchen, and this will be the hood vent. So we actually run that, so it distributes the air, pulls the air from the stove and the cooking surface and pulls it outside. So that way you got proper ventilation within the dwelling. Here's another unit that just probably finished up the framing stages. I like this stage because you can have x-ray vision here and kind of see where our piping runs. You can see where electrical runs, and you can see where the venting, HVAC, these are line sets that will actually connect to the AC unit and go to the outdoor unit. But you can see the different stages here.